Hello students, today I am going to tell you how to attempt your AI final exam for board classes. For 10th class you people have 417 code, and for class 12th you people have 843 is your code, subject code you can say. The basic two parts are there, part A and part B. Part 1 is your employability section skills, that will come under 10 marks, and subject specific skills that will come under your 40 marks. So your paper will be of 50 marks, in which you have to attempt 24 MCQs, that is your objective question, and 26 marks subjective question plus case based study question. So how to attempt your questions accordingly? First of all, you have to check how many questions do you know correctly. So attempt your correct part first. After that you can over attempt your paper or over attempt the question that you know in minor way, you can say. So if like I'm just taking example of machine learning, that will come and how to attempt this question, when it will come under 2 marks, 3 marks and 4 marks as well. So first of all I am going to tell you, when machine learning come in 2 marks, so you have to do in according way, like basic definition and its diagram you can attempt. So just attempt accordingly, don't over attempt the override the things, don't prior the things like wastage of time that you can say if you people are doing. Just attempt the basic definition and basic diagram that we people need to attempt. Like in this section you can give the example of AI, and machine learning is subset of, you can say, AI. So machine learning with types, if that question come in 2 marks, how to attempt this question, like machine learning definition, and just write down the names of those types like supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning. Just write down the names of these 3 types. Next you can say machine learning if come in 3 marks, then you have to write down the definition, explain the types, basic types, that supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning, basic idea of these 3 types, that what kind of these things are. Supervised, like in it we have label data and all, and in unsupervised we have unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning like action or reward based learning, and this kind of things you can basic definition of these types. And if that question come under your 4 marks, then you have to define the machine learning, explain the types with example. Like if I am taking the example of machine learning, you can define here the Google map. For navigation purpose we use that. And if I talk about the supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning, you can give a lot of examples are there. Like supervised, we have a set of jerseys which come under small, medium and large size. If a shopkeeper is selling those jerseys or tracks, then he can provide the label data like small, M and L sizes mentioned over there. So it is example of label data. So you can, people can give a lot of examples are there. So you can further elaborate the types of supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning, so like clustering, regression and all. So these are the further types that you can easily explain. So now I am just telling you, first of all you have to check your index, book index. There all the chapters are mentioned, like this chapter machine learning will come in this marks, and 2 marks question will be there, 3 marks question will be there. So you can check 1 marks question will be there, so you can check accordingly. So how this is the way how you people can attempt your question. So before starting your preparation, first of all check your index, book index, where all the chapters have been mentioned, that in which criteria or in which way they will come, and marks the temptation as well. So this is from my side. Thank you so much, have a great day.